Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add effects to your text in Canva. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First open Canva, then open a project that you're working on, and then you need a text box. If you already have a text box, just tap on it. And if you don't have a text box, you can add one by tapping on the text icon on the bottom on the left side of the screen. Here you have different styles of titles or simple text boxes. So just choose the text box that where you want to add an effect to your text, and then on the top of the screen you will see the effects section, and here if you tap on it, it's going to open up all the Canva available effects. As you can see right now, the first one, the non-zero effect, is selected, but you can add shadow to your text. And when you choose an effect, you have a few options that you can select. Here, if you choose the shadow, you can choose the color of the shadow. As you can see, you can add any different colors of shadow. Let's zoom in a little bit so you can see it better, like this. You can choose the color of the shadow. You can then choose the offset, how far is the shadow from the text. As you can see, you can set it to a very little shadow offset or even to this high. Then you can choose the direction of the shadow. As you can see, the blur, if you want the shadow to be a little bit blurry, which can be quite nice. It can create a cute effect. And if you want your shadow to be transparent, as you can see, if I go to a little bit more transparent, it's not that obvious. If you go to 100%, it means that it's not transparent at all. And this way the colors are a little bit more bright. So that's for the shadow. But if you want to apply a different effect, there are going to be different options. So this is lift, which is like a little bit of shadow. It's similar to shadow, but it's a lot simpler, but it won't work very well on dark backgrounds. So the third one is hollow. That's pretty simple. You have a hollow text, and you can change the thickness of your characters. The second one is splice. This is like a combination between a hollow and a shadow of a text. So you can offset it, and you can also choose the direction, which is pretty cool. And also the color here as well. Yeah, and that's splice. Then there is echo, which is similar to the previous one, but here there are three different texts on each other. This one can also be quite interesting. Here you can also choose the color of the echoes. Wow, that looks quite interesting. Let's see when I zoom out. Yeah, this is pretty nice. So yeah, that's echo. You can also use a glitch effect, which is very popular nowadays. It's the TikTok logo glitch effect. You can choose between these two colors, the red and blue. This is the TikTok colorway, or this red and pink, blue and pink. And the last one is the neon, and here it's going to use the color of your text. You can change it on the top. As you can see, if I change the color, it's going to affect the neon effect as well. Let's close this, go back to effects. And yeah, this way you can increase the brightness of your neon text. And these are all the styles, and there is one more effect type, the shape. As you can see, this is the normal shape, but we can change the shape of our text with this curvature. If I slide it to the right, it's going to curve it down, and if I slide it to down enough, it's going to create a circle from our text. Let's zoom out a little bit. So as you can see, oh, this is the other text. So we are here. If I scroll down all the way, I will get a circle, which is not that readable, but yeah, interesting. And if you scroll to the left, it's going to curve it to the top, and it's the same. You can create a circle from the top. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye.